both sides of the road. More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world.
So we just went on Living with the Land, my favorite attraction. I think my favorite part is when we go into the greenhouse and we get to see how they grow their plants and vegetables and use their different techniques.
A lot of fun. Hey, but you know what's really exciting? I have a surprise for you.
What?
We're going to go on the behind the scenes tour at 3 o'clock.
Not.
15 minutes.
Nuh-uh. Are you serious? It's my favorite. I've always wanted to do that.
I know, right? So we're going to go grab something here from the Seasons restaurant. And this is where they actually use the food that they grow, and they serve it here in the Seasons restaurant.
Yep.
We're going to go from the Seasons restaurant, and we're going to go do the behind the scenes tour.
Oh,
so stay tuned.
So excited.
I know, right?
All right.
Brussels sprouts too.